This waterproof desk mouse pad has shortcuts for Excel, Word, general F keys, some important Excel functions, and some exercises. Let's take a closer look. It's hard to show you everything on camera, but we have the Excel shortcuts here, Word shortcuts there, F keys, some exercises. Master your computer. Let these steps help you handle your work with ease. With ease. Of course, you want to do it with ease. I find this section especially useful because these are the functions you'll use to really make Excel be a powerful tool, especially the if function and VLOOKUP function. In my opinion, these two turn you into a power user. Again, my opinion, but it's great to have them right here on the pad. You can see how clear the printing is. Very easy to read. Mouse pads like this really help with accurate cursor movements when you move the mouse. And it is very smooth. The back is made out of rubber, which means anything that's spilled on the surface will not soak through the rubber. Although I don't necessarily like the term cheat sheet because anything that can make you do your job faster is better in my opinion. Having these shortcuts right on your desk may help you get work done faster and more efficiently.